This city feels very different at night.
Yes, I did not notice it until we walked around. You look more confident now.
Thank you. I was not ready until today.
The view from the top is beautiful.
Yes, I did not understand it until I came here.
This lesson was confusing at first.
I agree. I did not understand it until the teacher explained again.
You seem much happier now.
Yes, I was not calm until I finished my work.
People speak of success.
If there is one thing that matters to me, it's honesty. The town is peaceful today.
If there is one thing that pleases me, it's the silence.
You read many books.
If there is one thing that inspires me, it's knowledge.
The journey will be long. If there is one thing that worries me, it's the weather. The noise continues every night.
If there is one thing that annoys me, it's the loud shouting. The storm passed quickly.
If it hadn't been for the shelter, we would be soaked.
You finished the journey.
If it hadn't been for my horse, I could not continue. The fire is finally out.
If it hadn't been for the villagers, the house would be gone.
The harvest was successful this year.
If it hadn't been for the rain, the crops would have failed. You arrived here safely.
If it hadn't been for your help, I would not be here.
The report is finished.
I'm not really happy with the result. The meeting is moved to Friday.
I'm not really happy with the schedule.
Management approved the plan. And I'm worse too.
I'm not really happy with the decision.
The support team has replied. Okay.
I'm not really happy with the service.
This is the final design.
I'm not really happy with it.
Why are you speaking to him now?
I'm calling to ask for help.
Is there something important?
I'm calling to share the news.
The path seems safe.
I'm calling to warn you.
You look worried.
I'm calling to check on you.
Do you understand our next move?
I'm calling to ask about the plan.
Can we cross the river now?
I'm afraid it's too late.
Where did the hunters go? That's, I'm afraid I don't know.
Shall we leave now?
I'm afraid we must wait.
The path looks quiet.
I'm afraid there is danger ahead.
We should hunt at night.
I'm afraid I cannot agree.
Will you decide today?
I'll let you know tomorrow.
Do you agree with the plan?
I'll let you know after the meeting. Have you heard any news? Not yet, but I'll let you know soon. Are you ready to speak now?
I'll let you know when I'm ready.
What if the weather turns bad?
I'll let you know if anything changes.
The letters are ready. I'd like you to deliver them. The meeting will begin soon. I'd like you to take a seat. The garden looks untidy. I'd like you to help me clean it. The guests are waiting outside. I'd like you to welcome them. The road is very quiet now. I'd like you to walk with me.
The road is very dark tonight. I'd hate for you to get lost.
You look very tired today. I'd hate for you to fall ill. The river is rising fast. I'd hate for you to cross it now. He plans to travel alone. I'd hate for you to worry about him. The weather is turning cold. I'd hate for you to feel uncomfortable.
Can you guide me through the forest?
I'd be grateful for your help. I must leave before sunset.
I'd be grateful if you stayed.
I know the ways of the hunt.
I'd be grateful to learn from you. I can listen for a while.
I'd be grateful for your time.
I heard you traveled far.
I'd be grateful if you shared the news.
Where did he go?
I have no idea where he went.
When will the meeting begin?
I have no idea when it will start. Why is the gate closed?
I have no idea why it is closed. How many people are coming?
I have no idea how many will come. Will the plan succeed?
I have no idea if it will work.
That traveler speaks many languages.
I can't help being curious about his life.
The old house will be taken down.
I can't help feeling sad about it.
The children are playing music outside.
I can't help smiling when I hear them.
He has not returned from the journey.
I can't help worrying about his safety. The church looks very beautiful today. I can't help admiring its tall towers.
The market is very quiet today.
I can hardly believe that no one is here.
The king agreed to the treaty.
I can hardly believe that he said yes.
The city walls are finally finished.
I can hardly believe that they built them so fast.
He traveled across the sea in 1 month. I can hardly believe that the journey was so short. Your son can read Latin now.
I can hardly believe that he learnt so quickly.
The line looks quite long.
How long does it take to get inside?
I want to learn basic English.
How long does it take to learn it? The event starts soon.
How long does it take to finish?
I need to charge my phone. How long does it take to charge? I want to take a short break.
How long does it take? This is my first time here.
How do you like this place?
I just finished the class.
How do you like the lesson? The weather is much cooler today.
How do you like the weather?
You finally met the new guide. Yes, and how do you like him?
I tried the new activity today.
How do you like it? You shared my photo without asking. How dare you do that?
I think you lied to everyone. How dare you say that? You blamed me for the mistake.
How dare you blame me?
You interrupted me again.
How dare you talk to me like that?
You made fun of my idea.
How dare you laugh at me?
I want to relax this afternoon.
How about listening to some music?
I'm feeling a bit bored today.
How about taking a short walk?
I don't know what to order. How about the chicken sandwich? I have some free time now.
How about grabbing a coffee?
This place is too crowded.
How about going somewhere quieter?
These snacks are for everyone.
Thanks. Help yourself to the cookies.
I'm a bit thirsty.
No problem. Help yourself to some water.
Do you have a pen I can use?
Sure.
Help yourself to any pen on the table.
Are these flyers free to take?
Yes, they are. Help yourself to one.
I need a seat for a moment.
Of course. Help yourself to any chair.
He looks very tired today.
Yes, he is so tired that he can barely stand.
He talks a lot about his trip.
That's true. He is so excited that he cannot stop smiling.
He did not hear the noise.
Yes, he is so focused that he did not notice anything else.
Everyone likes talking to him.
I know. He is so friendly that people feel comfortable.
He answered all the questions calmly.
Yes, he is so confident that he spoke without fear.
He speaks English very clearly.
Yes, he is not only fluent, but also confident.
Everyone likes working with him.
I agree. He is not only polite, but also very helpful.
He studies every evening.
Yes, he is not only diligent, but also very focused.
He always arrives on time.
True. He is not only punctual, but also well prepared.
He listens carefully to everyone.
Yes, he is not only patient, but also very understanding.
He hasn't replied to my message. He is either busy or offline right now.
He looks very quiet today.
Yes, he is either tired or not feeling well.
He always arrives very early. True. He is either very disciplined or very nervous.
He never orders the same food.
Yes, he is either trying something new or following a diet.
He talks to everyone politely.
I agree. He is either very kind or very professional.
I felt very nervous before the presentation. I understand. Have you ever felt that way before?
That concert was very exciting.
Yes. Have you ever seen that band live before?
This language class is quite challenging.
I see. Have you ever studied English like this before?
I'm thinking about learning surfing.
Really? Have you ever tried it before?
This mountain view is amazing.
Yes, it is. Have you ever been here before?
The waves are very strong today.
Yes, don't ever swim here without a lifeguard.
I want to explore the city alone at night.
Please don't ever walk alone in this area after dark.
I feel fine even without sleep. Don't ever ignore your body when it needs rest.
He made fun of her accent. That's not okay. Don't ever laugh at how people speak.
I feel shy when I speak English.
I understand, but don't ever stop practicing. I'm looking for a travel guide.
Do you have it available in English?
We have fresh pastries today.
Great. Do you have any vegan options available?
I'd like to join a city tour.
Do you have any slots available this afternoon?
I want to book a training session. Do you have a personal trainer available today?
I need to rent a bike.
Do you have one available for this evening?
I can't find your keys, Us.
Oh, do you carry this in your pocket?
Your water bottle is very handy.
Thanks. Do you carry this in your backpack too?
You always keep your passport safe.
Yes. Do you carry this in a travel pouch? That umbrella looks new.
Thanks.
Do you carry this in your tote bag?
Your notebook is very organized.
Thank you. Do you carry this in a folder?
Being polite is very important.
Yes. Yes. Do you agree it makes communication easier?
Traveling by train is relaxing.
I agree. Do you agree it's better than driving?
Practicing every day helps us improve.
Yes. Do you agree practice is more important than speed?
Walking is good for our health.
I think so too. Do you agree we should do it every day?
This cafe is very comfortable.
Yes, I agree. Do you agree it's a good place to study?
The supplies are almost gone.
Then we must leave as soon as possible.
The path is very narrow.
Yes, we should walk as carefully as possible.
Others are resting nearby.
Then we must stay as quiet as possible.
Can you explain the plan again?
Of course, I will explain it as clear as possible.
The journey will be long.
Yes, we must travel as safe as possible.